everybody. This is Diane with Crafting with Fury. Hope each and every one of you are safe and healthy no matter where you are. Super excited. I got my dies for my design team package from Inloveartshop, and I will leave all of these links down below. And guys, don't forget, I have a 25% off coupon, and it's Fury, F-U-R-Y. And if you would like to order, if you use my code, you would save 25%, and I would truly, truly appreciate it. And I would like to thank Inloveartshop for this cooperation. I'm having the bestest of times, and let's get started. Now, this first die set, it is an alphabet die set, and I really needed one of these because it's so versatile that it would be super fun to use on scrapbook pages, on cards, anything. And you get the uppercase and you get the lowercase, which is super, super cool. And they're good size letters. I'm super excited to cut these out. So that's the first die set. And you'll notice on this one, I got a lot of words, and there's some cards that I'm wanting to make, and I thought this would be the perfect time to do that. Where is the opening? There it is. Now, this die set is a word die set, and it comes with several different words that would be very versatile. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 words. There's hello, family, blessing, loving you. I can't even read. Because, happy, believe, enjoy. And that one is friends forever. Well, now look, if I'd have turned it over that way, I could have read it better. So those are good size words that would be perfect, 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 perfect on any card, anything. So this is the word cutting dies, and if I didn't say it at the beginning, I will leave all these links down below for you. Super excited. And this is adorable. This is a happy birthday die. And I do notice that this die right here, the words will cut out separately. So keep that in mind. Super cute. We'll have fun playing with that one. And here is a positive vibes word die set. And let's see here. Let's see what we got here. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 dies in this set, guys. It says hope, especially. Thinking. Let's see. A view. A bunch of dream. Wish. All kinds of words. This is super cute. So we'll be cutting out and making something with these. And I thought this one was super cute for just like a little bitty. And what I'm thinking is a 3x3. This is a thankful. And it's got the shadow. So you can cut the top and then cut a different color in the thankful. So this would be cute for a 3x3 card. And here is another one, and this is the hello word. And this would be cute for a 3x3. You get 2 dies. You get the shadow and then the hello. Cute. Cute dies. Okie dokie. Now, this is the 6-piece flower theme dies. And I've kind of got out of making my flowers, and I want to get back into making my flowers and bows and stuff again. So, I thought, what a perfect for springtime. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Look how cute these dies are. You could layer them up. So looks like these go together, and these go together, but you could layer them up. Look, they're pretty good size too. Look at that. Super cute. Love that. Let's see. Looks like the biggest one is 2 1/8 by 2 1/8. So that is a cute die. This is 6-piece flowers spring theme die set. And this one is so cute for Mother's Day. This is the cute koala mother and child die. Look at this. My sister loves koala bears. Look at this. Little koala bear baby here and the mommy right there. Look how cute. It is 2 1/2 inches wide and looks like 2 1/2 inches tall. Look how cute that is. Look at them little eyes. So cute. So this is the cute koala mother and child die. And this could be perfect for Mother's Day. And this would be perfect for summertime. My word. I'm having the hardest time. I don't know why. Opening these, and it's my fault. Okay. Work with me, hands here. This is the ice cream dessert die. And guys, look. It's got your little cup and your ice cream and your topping. How stinking cute is that? You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dice. And it's going to make like a little cup of ice cream. I wouldn't care a bit to have some ice cream right now, would you? Okay, this adorable die set is a 6-piece sunflower and a 3-piece cute little bee set. And I think I have been seeing bees like crazy this year, so that must be like the popular set. Look at this. Look how gorgeous that is. And then there's the bee. It's like here's the shadow and here's the bee, and then it actually has layering pieces that you can layer separately if you wanted to. How super cute. And look how big that bee is. Look how cute. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And this big old die would be a perfect for like a big 6x6 card. Look at this. This is a happy birthday. Look at that. This is a huge happy birthday. I think that's what it says. Happy. Guys, why am I having such a hard time? I think I need to get some glasses. Oh, no, no, no. This says Happy Mother's Day. No? Oh, my word. Happy. What does it say? I'm just crazy. I can't even read what that says. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I will put it in the link down below. I thought it was Happy Mother's Day, but we'll figure it out. But look how gorgeous this is. Oh my goodness. This thing is like at its widest. Yep, it would have to be a 6x6 card because look how big that is. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Yep, it's Happy Mother's Day. Look how gorgeous that is. Yep, Happy Mother's Day. I'm crazy. Please forgive me. It's been a long day and it's only Tuesday. All right, so this one, it is actually called a Creative Branches and Flower Bouquet on a word tag. So it's Happy Mother's Day. Perfect for a big fancy Mother's Day card. And last but not least, this is called the Cute Honeycomb and Bee Die. And I was super excited with this one too, because you could actually use it with this other one too. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You get 8 dies in this set. And here's your honeycomb. Cute. Here's your cute little bee and its little wings. And there is the flowers that go with that. So super cute. I can't wait to play with these. So be on the lookout for some project shares coming really soon with these. And once again, I will leave all the link of these beautiful dies down below and my coupon code. And thank you so very much for stopping by. I truly, truly appreciate it. And may God bless each and every one of you. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.